Today we are going to learn how to make a simple card hanging. For this, the materials that are required are this heart-shaped MDF board. Then we need decoupage paper around this size, something which is to the size of this heart. You can cut it down from somewhere. Then you should have a little bit of jute sheet, some cutout. This one says in memory of a beautiful moment. You can have something which is very simple, some code, anything of your sort. It should be printed. It should be a laser print so that it doesn't smudge when you decoupage it. Then we need to make a tassel. So I am just taking a cardboard here, and I need some twine and a wooden bead for making tassels. Then what you need is Deco Magic. This I have got from Itsy Bitsy store, and this is matte, and I have a varnish for that, which is again matte. A scissor, some sandpaper, then some kind of distress ink or something to shade it. This I have taken artistry camel color. I have this dauber, have another one for inking. Also have a brush for the decoupage. For the glue I have a paper plate and some white paint. So let's just start. So for the beginning, we need this heart-shaped MDF. We're going to apply some decoupage glue. Slightly, very little. It shouldn't be too much because then the paper is going to have some kind of bubble. So here you can see I've just applied just enough glue. I'm going to stick the paper. So it's easier to handle this kind of rice sheet than the tissue paper for the beginners. If you are already introduced to decoupage, then you can go in for a napkin or something. The technique will be a little different from this, because napkin is a little more harder to handle. You can see that there's no bubbles at all. I'm taking a small piece of sandpaper. I'm going to sand this edges. So this actually gives you a neat edge. The rest you can just sand off. See? All the excess you can take out. So this part is done. Wait for it to dry a little bit, and then we can apply the top coat. So now you can, as you're waiting for this, you have to punch the holes first, there is a tendency for it to stick and not come out properly. So I have done my holes. Now we are going to apply the top coat. This again is the Decoupage mat. It's always better to go downward first and then across if you're using a brush here. You get neat strokes. Now I'm going to take this vase and I'm going to cut around it, make it into a circle. So I have made this design, these wordings in Canva, using Canva. So next thing is to cut the jute sheet almost to the size of this same circle. Yeah, this looks perfect. Over here. Okay, so the first thing is to stick this onto this. So for that I'm using a silicone glue. I'm just sticking this together. Then we need to fix this onto this. So let's again stick it. See this? We have a neat wording over there. Allow it to stick to just give a distressed look to the edges. So let us do that. For that, I'm just taking this artistry ink, Camel Safari. Just using a dauber, putting some of the ink in it. Giving it an antique look. Now let's go ahead and use white paint. It's better to use these sponge daubers because otherwise the paint will be everywhere. Gives a nice finish as well. Now, let's go ahead and varnish this. So let me show you how to make the tassel. So I have taken this cardboard thing. First, let us have this horizontal string which is going this way, and then we need to wind this. First, tie this piece as I must. So put it through. Tie this. Just use a little bit of ground. Look at my fingers. Yeah. So you have the tassel here. So down I have the tassel. On top, let me just have this. There you have a beautiful card hanger, wall hanger, whatever you want to use it as. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel for more of these types.